Ain't no intro. All right, we had a little fun with the Mark III today. I'm gonna drop those videos later, a little bit later. Got the race Ford Focus ST. My cousin did not get the footage though. He was just caught up in the moment and didn't realize until after we like screamed past him. But in the meantime, I'm gonna start tearing down this 2.0T for the Jetta wagon. We got a little bro in here, accompanying me in the barn. It's a barn, garage, shop, whatever the fuck you want to call it. It's really a barn. And we're going to see what's fucked with this and unfuck it. So I think the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to slap the transmission off, take off these accessories and hop to it. Check the timing out. Probably just going to throw all new timing and everything like that on there anyway, just so I know it's like tip-top shape, top shelf. And goodie, ready to run, ready to go. And we'll go from there. So, ain't no outro. I'm going to start tearing this thing down. I'm going to drop some videos.